Let's revise what we've learnt already. How quickly can you say these phonemes and do the actions? Pause here. How did you do? Now, can you say the phoneme and do the action before the picture appears? A. Snail. E. Tree. I. Light. O. Boat. Now try reading these words using the sound buttons and dashes to help. Pause here. Let's listen to the sound this diagraph makes when reading and watch the action we can use to remember it by. Ooh, ooh, moon, moon. Can you draw a crescent moon in the air and say the phoneme oo, oo? You may also wish to use the song to practice with. Can you think of any words that have this phoneme in them? I can. Moon. Let's read the words below and see if we can fit them into the correct sentences. Can you guess the words using the pictures and the phonemes in the words? Did you read the words room, moon, mood? Here are the sentences. Can you row a boat on the... Tidy up your... Dad shouted. I am in a good... Pause here. Did you fit the words into the correct sentences? Can you row a boat on the moon? Tidy up your room, Dad shouted. I am in a good mood. Can you sort these words into treasure, which are real words, and trash, which are made-up words? Pause here. Did you read broom, gnoop, two, thoot, zoom, root, floop, roop? How did you do? The real words were broom, two, zoom, and root. The trash words were gnoop, thoot, floop, and roop. Can you make a silly sentence using any of these words? Here's mine. The gnoop rode on the broom. Listen to the words I'm about to say and see if you can find the phonemes to make the word and write the grapheme. Can you think of the word I'm about to say? The word is boot. Boot. Pause here and write the word on your phoneme frame. Remember to write one phoneme per block. Did you write b-oot for boot? Can you think of the word I'm about to say? The word is tools. Tools. Pause here and write the word on your phoneme frame. Did you write t-oo-l-s for tools? Now let's write some words with this phoneme in them. Moon, food, tools, broom. Can you also say and write your high frequency and tricky words? Them, then, with. Maybe you can make a sentence using some of these words.